On my screen, you are looking at the flow that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. With the help of this flow, whenever any customer will click on any of these following buttons that I have sent along with this broadcast that I have created also inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. With the help of this broadcast, I have sent this particular template to my customer regarding this price drop alert that I want to announce amongst them. So that whenever any customer, if they are interested in this particular property, they will click on this yes button or no button or call button. Automatically, this WhatsApp chatbot will interact with them as per their preference. So let me show you the demo. I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see this is that particular template that I have sent to all of my customer to whom I wanted to notify about this price drop alert. Inside this template, here the details about this property are added with these 3 quick reply buttons. Yes to get full details, call to speak with an expert, and no if not interested. Now let me click on this yes button as I'm interested in this property. You will see instantly this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me all the details about this particular property, and it is also asking me these 3 questions: book a site visit, get similar options, talk to an expert. This means that after getting full details about the property, my customer will have 3 options. They can either book a site visit, they can explore similar option, or they can also talk to expert. So if they want to book a visit, they just have to click on this button, book visit. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will ask us some questions to help us book our visit. It is asking me, please select your preferred visit time. So as I want this visit tomorrow, so let's just select this in here and send it inside the chat. Instantly, I received this message, your visit request is submitted successfully. You can see my visit request is submitted. Now, if we want to explore some more options, we just have to click on this similar options. Then you will see instantly an AI agent will get triggered, and it will help us explore similar options to this particular property. This AI agent has sent me this: hi, I am Nexa, your urban nest smart property advisor. I'll help you find the best options based on your needs. To get started, tell me your budget range, preferred location, property type, or simply reply suggest option. So as I want options, that's why I will simply type in here suggest option, then I will send it inside the chat. Next, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will help me find the right property for me. Now in reply of this particular text, I will send my budget range, preferred location, and property type. So let me type that. I have typed down my details. Now I will send them inside this chat. You can see this AI agent has successfully suggested me these 2 different properties near Bhopal. This means that the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created here is working all fine. So this was the demo of my WhatsApp chatbot and the WhatsApp AI assistant that I have created and assigned inside this particular chatbot itself. Now I will help you also create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot for yourself inside your own Pabbly Chatflow account, so that you can also convert your leads successfully into your clients. Now let us start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And let me tell you that inside Pabbly Connect, you can create your account in 2 different ways. Existing users have to press this sign in button, but if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up free button and create your free account. After that, you will get 100 free credits every month, with the help of which you can easily explore Pabbly Chatflow and create some WhatsApp chatbots inside there absolutely free. But if you want to get extra credits, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly. And the best part is, if you will use this coupon code JAIYT that is visible right in front of you, you can avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So make sure to use this coupon code while purchasing your subscription. Now, as I'm an existing user here, that's why I'll press this sign in button, and I've got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here, we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. That's why I click on this access now button, and you will get directed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard, on the right side, you will see this button, add WhatsApp number. Click on this button, select any of these 2 methods, and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, so that you can access this particular column from where you can create WhatsApp chatbots, templates, broadcasts, or AI assistants. After adding your WhatsApp number, this column will be accessible to you. So you can access any of these following features from here. But if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any trouble while adding your WhatsApp number in here, then you can take help from the videos that are added in the description box. And if you have successfully added your WhatsApp number, now let us start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. For that, just click on this flows and select this flows from here. This is the flow builder page. In here on the right side, you have to click on this add flow button to start creating your flow. You will get directed on this page where at first this trigger button will be visible to you. You have to set up this trigger at first. Inside this trigger, you have to select this trigger event. We have this multiple type of trigger events. You can select any one of them as per your preference. But as we want this particular chatbot to get triggered whenever any customer clicks on on the quick reply buttons of the template that we have sent them. That's why we have to select this template selected as our trigger event. Then from here, we have to select the template that we have just created. I have already created a template for myself inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, but if you want to learn how you can create a template for yourself, then you have to click on this video link available on this I button. You can instantly learn to create a template for yourself inside this Pabbly Chatflow itself. Now let me select my template. I have to click on this box. Then from here, I will select this price drop template that I have created. I just have to click over this template and it is selected successfully. Now inside this template, you can see as I have provided these three different buttons, yes, call or no, on which my customer can click based on their preference. Now whenever they will click on this any of these following buttons, I want to send them some messages for each of these buttons. That's why to send a message, whenever any customer will click on this button, we just have to drag any node from here or this action features to create them. Inside my flow, you can see at first for this yes button, I drag this text button, which you can easily drag from this message features. Just click over this text button and you can drop it in here. After that, inside this box, you have to add the welcome message. After adding the welcome message, if you want to add some buttons like here, that three buttons that I have added, if you want to add these buttons, just click on this add button, select the type of your button from here, give a name to your button and press this save button. Your button will get added successfully. So just like this, create this first text button for your chatbot. I have created this. After you have framed this first text button, you just have to frame these buttons also to complete your first step of chatbot yes button. So now we have to work on this book visit button. So that's why for this particular button, I wanted that whenever any customer will click on this button book visit, I will ask them their preferred visit time. That's why from this action features, I simply drag this ask question button, dropped it in here. Inside this box, I have added this particular question which I wanted to ask to my customer. Then to store the response given by my customer for this particular question, I took help of this contact custom field. From this drop down, I selected this time contact custom field, which you can easily create by learning from this particular video that I have added for you in the I button on the top right end of my screen. You can just click on this video and learn to create a contact custom field for yourself. Then for this format, here I have selected this as any. After this question button, in reply of the response that my customer will give me, I have added this text button again by dragging it from this message features. Inside this box, I added this text, your visit request is submitted. So this means that at first, whenever any customer clicks on this book visit button, I will ask them a question about their preferred time. Then I will send them a confirmation message that their visit request is booked successfully. Now we have to work on this second button, similar options. So for this button, I wanted that whenever any customer will click on this, I will assign them this AI assistant property details AI assistant that I have also created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn in detail how you can create this AI assistant for yourself, then for you, I will add link of that particular video from where you can easily learn to create an AI assistant for yourself inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now let me show you how you can assign this AI assistant to your customer whenever they will click on this button, similar options. So for that, from this action features itself, you just have to drag this assign AI assistant button from here like this. Connect both of these following circles. Then from this drop down, you can easily select the AI assistant that you want to assign to your customer. After that, for this start with, you will get these four options: use client message, personalized message, welcome message, and start without message. You can select any one of them as per your preference. So after selecting this, your second button, similar options will also be ready. Next, we just have to work on this last button, talk to expert. So if our customer will click on this button, we will send them this particular message by dragging a text button from here. Inside this message, you can see I have added this perfect. Our property expert will call you shortly to guide you. Expected call time within 10 minutes. I have added this. And after completing this talk to expert button, we have successfully completed the first button of our template, yes. Then we have to work on this call button. So for this button, as soon as my customer will click on this, I will send them this message, great decision $name, connecting you with a property expert now. You will receive a call shortly to discuss pricing, check availability, finalize next step. So after this, inside this message box, you can see I have added this $sign and name contact custom field, with the help of which I can easily map the name of my customer that they have added inside their WhatsApp account itself, because WhatsApp chatbot will detect that particular name and it will map their name with the help of this contact custom field. With this second button call is all set, and you can see how easy it is for me to create this WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Just like this, you can create more types of WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistants, or send broadcasts to bulk of your customer at once, all inside Pabbly Chatflow itself. So if you are still running low on credits, then I will suggest you start using the premium version of Pabbly, where you can get thousands every month and create this WhatsApp chatbot seamlessly without worrying about credits. And the best part is that if you will use this coupon code JAIYT that is visible right in front of you, you can also avail an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So get your subscription as soon as possible. I have explained you this second button call also. Now for this last button no, here I have added this text button. No worries $name. We won't send details for this property anymore, but we will keep an eye out for better deals that match your preferences. So this is the message that I will send to my customer whenever they will click on this no button to notify me that they are not interested anymore in this property. With this, I have successfully shown you how you can create this amazing property lead converting WhatsApp chatbot inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. That's it for now. If you want to use my flow, then for you, I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video so that you can use it from there. Along with that, I will also add the link of that video from where you can learn to create this WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself. And if you want to learn how I created and sent this broadcast to all of my customers, you can also watch the video that I will add in the description box itself. So that's it for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. For your doubts, you can ask them in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. Now I will suggest you to start setting up this as soon as possible, because the faster you will engage and guide your leads, the higher your chances are of converting them into actual buyers. For you, link and coupon codes are in the description box. So go and build your own property sales machine. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.